Hey, today we're going to cover 9 iPhone settings that you need to change right now for maximum privacy. You're going to be shocked at how many apps are accessing your microphone, your location, your camera, as well as websites. I am going to show you how to access the report so you have all that information in front of you, and then we're going to go through each of the settings on your iPhone one by one so that you can get maximum privacy. Let's jump into it. Click on Settings, click on Privacy, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you're going to see one of two things at the bottom. You're either going to see a Record App Activity or an App Privacy Report. Mine says App Privacy Report, and when I click on that, I've already turned mine on, so the information is there. You're going to want to turn yours on so that you can get all of the valuable information. It's going to tell you which apps have accessed your iPhone as well as website networks. This is going to be the foundation to give you an idea of how much your phone is accessed in the background. So it takes a couple days for this app to start gathering all of the information that you're going to need, but we're not going to wait. We're going to jump in right now and start changing settings that I know that are going to help maximize your privacy. So let's jump in and go back to your phone. Click on Settings, click on Privacy, and click on Location Services. You are going to want to turn this off. By turning this off, you're going to disable all of the apps, except for the ones that you specify, from accessing your location. You also have the option of leaving this on and then going through each individual app and deciding whether you want it to access your information never, next time you ask, or when you share, or only when you're using the app. You're going to have to decide that on each individual app. The next step that you're going to want to take is click on Share My Location, and I recommend that you turn this off, but you leave the Find My iPhone on. I don't like the Share My Location feature because it allows other people, obviously, to access your location. When I first learned about this next one, it really surprised me, and that's how many apps have access to the camera on my phone. I was really surprised and a little bit taken back. So I'm going to show you how to access that information and how to change each individual app. So let's go back to the iPhone. Click on Settings, click on Privacy. From here you're going to scroll down to Camera, click on Camera, and now these are all of the apps that have access to your camera. I just recommend that you go through each one individually and make sure that you want these apps to have access to your camera at any time. You're going to notice a common theme here. We're on this iPhone in that privacy setting quite a bit, and we're going to go right back there to see which apps are accessing your microphone. So grab your iPhone and let's jump into it. Click on Settings, click on Privacy. This time you're going to scroll down to Microphone, click on Microphone, and once again, these are all of the apps that are accessing your microphone, so pick them individually, the ones that you want to turn off. And if you're not using them, I highly recommend that you turn these off. If you like this content so far, I'd love it if you hit that like button, and then also hit that subscribe and bell notification so you don't miss a single video when they come out. Also, leave me a comment. If you have any questions, I'll certainly answer them as fast as possible. But hey, let's jump in to the next iPhone setting. This next recommendation has to do with having a secure internet connection, and it has to do with using a VPN. The one I recommend you can find at vpn22.com, and I'll leave a link down below. It is an affiliate link, but if you decide to use it, it's one of the leading VPN providers. Okay, we're going to head back to your iPhone for another setting, and once again, you have to remember, iPhones track a lot of good information that helps you out, but once again, most people don't realize that an iPhone actually tracks your movement.
Are you serious?
And I'm going to show you exactly which setting that you can turn off or make sure that the apps that are actually tracking your movement you're okay with. Let's jump back on your iPhone. Click on Settings. Next you're going to click on Privacy. And from here, I want you to scroll down until you see Motion and Fitness. You're going to click on Motion and Fitness, and these are the apps that actually track your motion. Now, this is great for health and fitness, tracking your body motion, your step count, stairs climbed, all that good stuff. But once again, it's another app that tracks your movement. For me, on mine, that I was really surprised with was the Waze app has access to this. And that's a map feature. I don't want that tracking every single movement that I make. If it's turned on and I'm navigating somewhere, I want it, but otherwise I don't. You can make the decision on each of these that are shown on your phone. So over the past over a year now, I've recorded a ton of different iPhone tips and tricks. And if you check out the playlist right here, you can find over 100 different iPhone tips and tricks that will help you use your iPhone even better. You can also join me on TikTok, where I post videos every single week on iPhone tips, tricks, iPhone apps, as well as websites that I bet you didn't know. But hey, let's jump into your next iPhone setting. Your iPhone is pretty secure when it comes to storing usernames and passwords, but you can take it one step further, and this is once again a recommendation. But if you head over to pep6.com, I'll leave the link down below as well. I've partnered with a password management company. It is an affiliate link, but this password management company is one of the leading in the industry, and it allows you to manage everything all in one place across multiple devices, and it can certainly save you a lot of headache. I know for me personally, I tend to forget passwords a little bit, and then when you have to change them on a regular basis, it gets even more difficult to keep track of. So check that out if you're interested. That wraps up our video today on the 9 iPhone settings that you need to change right now. If you have a second, leave a comment down below and let me know of any other settings that you found that surprised you, or settings that you think should be changed to help other iPhone users watching this video. Hey, once again, thanks for watching, and make it a great day.